This is shares of NEO on October 15th. For education purposes, I'm keeping my risk per trade at $10 fixed. So we can see NEO gapping up 2 days in a row. It has a significant daily level from 2 days ago, which we're going to keep an eye on at $26.97. Stock opens weak. It breaks below VWAP, the yellow line. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart to see the relationship of the 9 and 20 moving averages to VWAP. So we're going to let this trade for the first 2 to 3 minutes, see what the price action does. Now I'm seeing that the third 1-minute candle is closing weak. The fourth 1-minute candle, we're rejecting the moving averages. We're closing weak below VWAP, and I will be taking a short position. I'll close 25% at the 200 on the 5-minute. Each new low of day, I'll close out 25% of the remaining position. And now I'll be looking for longer daily targets to start taking profits, which would be previous day low. I'm also looking, are there any new 1-minute highs, a sign of a reversal? And we have a new low of day. We'll be taking 25% partials. And now we'll be looking for a reason to add. So has the stock made a new 1-minute low or high? And if it does make a new 1-minute high, are we consolidating to the 9 moving average on low volume where I can add back in? Now keep an eye on the 5-minute chart. The 9 moving average is way above the VWAP, which means that it's probably going to reverse back to the VWAP and not continue a downtrend. And I have the remaining 20% of the position that got stopped out at break even. Now since we have a strong daily chart, I'll be looking for a VWAP reclaim to high of day trade. But first I'll be looking at the 1-minute chart. Has the 9 moving average gotten above the VWAP? And once we've gotten above the VWAP on the 9, I'll go long. I'll be looking for a reason to add. There would have been large asks on the level 2. And we are having the price minute on the 1-minute close above 2 days ago high, which is a very bullish sign. And also notice that the 5-minute candle that's opening right now is now opening above the VWAP and above the 9 and 20 moving average. Again, very bullish sign. Now, if this trend fails, I'll be taking some of this off at break even. So my add I'm taking off right now. And the remaining at break even, we lost 2 days ago high. And this could be a VWAP false breakout and can potentially go back or through VWAP to the downside. Now, if you notice, it's putting in a double bottom on the 1-minute where it's 2 candles next to each other. We've reclaimed 2 days ago high. There's no new 1-minute low and strong ask. I'll add back in. And I'll be looking for a break of high of day, stop just below a new 5-minute candle. And we lost the 9 SMA, and it looks like we're also losing the 9 SMA on the 5-minute, which we've actually bounced back off of. Now, if you watch the volume on the 1-minute, I just entered the trade again. We have rising volume, strong level 2 asks, and we're probably going to break high a day here. Now we broke high a day. I'll take 25% off at 2R and the pre-market high. Any new high a day, I'll be closing 25% position. And now notice on the 5-minute chart, we're starting to put in no new 5-minute low, which is a very clear sign that this trend will continue. Each high a day, 25%. And now I'm looking for areas where can I add into my position for a next leg up. So I'll look for low volume pullbacks to the 9 moving average, which we just bounced off of. And if we lose that level of consolidation, I'll take the add off. And now we have a new 5-minute candle that's going to be opening very shortly. So I'll take another add back into my position. And we're putting in a level of consolidation here. So if we do break above the consolidation, I will add to the position again. Now, if you watch the volume on the 1 minute chart, you'll have a spike, and we also have not put a new low in on the 5 minute chart. So we just added to the position, break a high day, we're going to close 25% of the position again. And I'm looking for yesterday's high as the next target. So I'll try and space my partials a little bit more and be less aggressive with them. Now, if you notice, we have 11 consecutive 1 minute candles that have not made a new low. And once one does make a new low, I'll close 50% of the position. And now the rest of my position, I will put a stop loss at a new 15-minute low. If you look at the 15-minute chart, the 9 moving average is below the VWAP, so the move is getting extended. And we have another area of consolidation. That is a possible area to add back into. But the volume is dying off, so I would not add into the position. And if we make a new 15-minute low, I'll be out of the position. There we go.